2/3 of sellers pick their agent through a referral, not Zillow, not Facebook ads, not a cold call. Someone they know said, call this person. And yet most agents are out here spending hundreds of dollars a month chasing strangers online, while completely ignoring the people who already trust them. Today I'm going to show you a simple system that flips that around, gets you in front of more sellers, and has you winning listings with zero competition. Before we get to the system, let's talk about what most agents are doing right now and what it is actually costing them. A Zillow lead averages $139 to $300 or more. The close rate on those leads, 1 to 2%. So at $200 per lead with a 1% close rate, you are spending $20,000 in lead costs just to close one deal. Meanwhile, referral leads from your sphere convert at 14%. One word of mouth impression drives 5 times more sales than a paid ad, and the data backs this up at every level. 82% of all real estate transactions come from referrals, repeat clients, or personal relationships. NAR's 2025 data shows 66% of sellers used an agent referred by someone they knew. So if the majority of business is already flowing through relationships, the question is not whether this works. The question is whether you have a system to tap into it consistently. Here's the problem. Most agents are not working their sphere with any kind of intention. They show up at the Chamber of Commerce once a year, hand out a few cards, maybe send a market update email every couple of months, and then wonder why the phone isn't ringing. That's not a sphere strategy, that is hoping. And hope is not a business plan. What you need is a simple, repeatable system that keeps you top of mind with the right people all year long. That system is the Power 50. Here's how it works. You take your top 50 relationships, people who genuinely know you, like you, and trust you, and you commit to connecting with each of them once every quarter. Not with a newsletter blast, not with a generic market update. A real conversation, a coffee meeting, a quick lunch, or a phone call. Whatever fits that relationship. The goal is simple. Stay in their lives so that when someone they know is ready to buy or sell, your name is the first one out of their mouth. Now here's the math because I want you to see how manageable this actually is. 50 people 4 times a year. That is 200 touch points over 12 months. Spread it out evenly, and you are having roughly 16 real conversations per month, less than 1 per day. Put it in your CRM, block time on your calendar, and treat it exactly like you would a listing appointment. Because over the course of a year, it is worth just as much, if not more. But here's the part that most agents miss. And this is where the Power 50 really compounds. When you sit down with someone in your sphere, you are not just staying top of mind with that one person. You are getting access to their entire network, their neighbors, their coworkers, their family. Every single person in your Power 50 has a sphere of their own, often just as large as yours. So you are not building a list of 50 people. You are activating a network of thousands. That is where the leverage is. Now here is how you actually get that information, because it does not come from asking for referrals. It comes from having a real conversation. Ask about the market. Ask how their neighborhood is doing. Talk about that new development going up across town. And just listen. People will volunteer things in a casual conversation that they would never say if you sat down and opened with. So do you know anyone looking to buy or sell? That's too much pressure. Keep it natural and they will tell you everything you need to know. You will hear things like, oh yeah, our neighbor is actually thinking about downsizing. That neighbor has a house to sell. You just got a listing lead for free. So here's exactly how to run the Power 50 system. Step 1, pull your top 50 contacts and tag them as a dedicated group in your CRM right now. Step 2, schedule 1 touch point per quarter for each person. Put it on the calendar like an appointment. Step 3, mix up the format. Coffee, a phone call, a text check-in, lunch, whatever works for that relationship. Step 4, right after every conversation, log your notes immediately. Who came up? What did you learn? Step 5, follow up within 24 hours. Keep it warm. A simple message like, really enjoyed catching up, let's do it again soon. Now I know some of you are thinking this takes time. And you are right, it does. But here is the comparison I want you to sit with. You can spend $1,000 a month on Zillow leads, grind through cold follow-up with strangers who do not know you, and close one deal every few months. Or you can invest 10 to 15 hours a month having real conversations with people who already trust you, and build a referral engine that gets stronger every single quarter. One of those builds a business, the other builds a bill. The agents winning right now are not the ones spending the most on ads. They are the ones who are unforgettable to the people already in their orbit. Your Power 50 is your foundation. Your follow-up is your fuel, and your consistency is your competitive advantage. While every other agent is out there chasing cold strangers online, you are deepening trust with warm relationships that are ready to refer you. That is how you win listings with no competition. Now, if you want to take this to the next level, you're going to want to check out the free workshop my team is hosting. We reveal the exact listing campaign 103 agents use to get countless listings from motivated sellers. Be sure to check out the link in the description to secure your spot.